Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be finishing the manual swap. I had it working for about a week, but it won't pass inspection because of the JDM ECU would not connect to the OBD2 state inspection machine. So today we're going to finish it by taking out the Japanese harness and putting a US one in so it can connect. I already changed out the ECU because that was a simple take out the plug and put it back in. And today we're going to be doing the hard part. It's really stupid because we're doing all of this for one plug. This plug right there is not connected because in Japan they don't need it, and so that's the reason why that we gotta take this whole harness out. Isn't that stupid, David?
It's stupid.
I wish we could just like have an adapter or something, you know? I also want to say thank you to Severe Sky for sponsoring me, and if you guys don't know who he is, he makes the cool stickers that I have on my car. He makes this sticker, which I absolutely love. It's the mascot for my car. And he also made these in the back. I have more from him, and I'm gonna be filling up the whole back middle, and I also have a banner for the front. Maybe not today since it's raining, probably next video we'll be putting them on. So the first thing that we're gonna do is take out the battery and the airbox so we have all the room to take out all the wires, and take off the engine cover, and then we should be good to go. The plugs that we're gonna have the most to worry about is the one back there and the one behind the taillight. Those are the ones that gave us the most trouble, but other than that, should be a piece of cake. It's just time consuming because these plugs are so hard to take out. So we got the battery and the airbox out, and now we're actually starting to unplug things. Also, I got a new throttle body. I did that off camera because I just needed it to work for a car meet. And man, oh man, that new throttle body is so nice. There's no more slack in the gas pedal. What we're gonna do right now is check up on the stripped bolt, because we stripped one of these on the transmission, but we think that it would be fine because there's already two holding it up and they're torqued down to spec. So we're gonna see if it's still tight. Oh yeah, David, remember that chair I was telling you to pick up?
Yeah.
Look, it's over there. We got a free seat. So like, you know, if you're tired, you know, go over there and take a break. Sit down. I think it's like a Nissan Versa or something, because the Versas have the armrest.
Yeah, one.
It's nice, right? To sit down and just chill.
I only got one armrest.
Who cares? It's better than nothing, dude. We had no chair in here before. Now we got a chair. Was it worth picking it up? Eh. Since you said yeah, you're not sitting in the seat though for a break.
You can sit.
That's my seat for break time.
Go ahead and smell it.
You can sit on the floor. I'm gonna make David sit in that big old pile of water right there. We are actually pretty much done with taking out the harness. All we have to do is yank it from this side out, and we have two more plugs inside that we're taking out right now, and then it's time to yank this boy out. Ready? Oh shit. That was easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, you almost hit my hand.
So we got that out, and now we just have to untangle it, and boom. So I thought this was gonna take a day to take out the wiring harness. David said it wasn't gonna take that long. It took us 1 hour and 30 minutes. The first time we did this, it took us like 3 days. So this is the old one right here, and the new one is in this box over here. So this is pretty much my old harness. I thought that I wasn't gonna use my old harness, so I cut it up while we were taking it out. So I had to buy not a brand new one, but a used, good condition one. And now we gotta put it back in the car, and then we're gonna do some wiring changes to make it work with the manual. And all in all, this could have all been avoided if I just paid a little extra money and looked into the emission laws, but oh well, it's a learning process. So from what this says right here, we've got to change this to that one right there.
You want to cut it off?
I don't know, you're starting to be an electrical engineer.
Alright, go ahead and cut it off.
How?
What do you mean how? Do you not know how to cut wires?
No. Just like this?
Yes.
Alright. I think you're making me do this, so if I mess up, it's my fault. Really?
No.
Okay. That's gay.
The other ones, those are trash.
So you remember earlier in the video when I said that we needed this one plug? Look at that one plug. It's not even... I got ripped off. So what we're gonna do, thought I wasn't gonna be able to use my old wiring harness because I cut it all up, but now we're gonna have to splice this one back together. So I'm gonna go in the trash and dig through it to find my old wiring harness. Yeah, look at this. This is gonna be a long day. Alright. I see it. I am gonna get AIDS from doing this. Some delicious rice right here. There we go. Oh, that was disgusting. I touched some weird sticky stuff. I touched some disgusting rotten food. I am leaving him a 1 star. It's the only damn plug I need and it's broken. So that's the finished product, and now it's also extended too. The hell, Jack? What are you doing out here? You coming to help us out? Supposed to be going to the bathroom, Jack, not helping us with the wiring harness. So when I went to the car meet last week, a couple of people were getting in my car and someone left a light in my car, so we're using it because the other one sucked. This one's actually special though, you know why? David, tell him.
It's a weed lighter.
It's a weed lighter? Show him. Ooh, let's go clean our bowl out real quick. Alright guys, so we finished all the things that we need to do to make this wiring harness manual. We even hooked up some wire right here that we got from AutoZone all the way to this cable right here. And you know, we decided to spice things up, so we got some blue tape, we got some red tape. You know, the engine bay is gonna be looking like a whole American flag. So while I work on putting the engine harness back in, David is currently tinkering with the ECU. So since we're switching back to the SMT harness, we need to take out the manual reverse sensor and put the SMT one back on. This is such a weird process for us to do. All right, so we got all the wires back in and now we're just plugging back in the sensor. I think everything's done. So we just gotta put the air box and the battery back in and then hopefully it starts up. Pinky promise, or pinky promise.
Pinky promise.
I don't know what the hell that was. So this idiot right here lost a 10.
Good thing you lost the 10.
Idiot lost a 10 right when we needed it.
I haven't
finally finish it.
I haven't lost a single 10.
Yeah, idiot. You lost it.
There was 2 10s.
I had a 10 on this. I lent it to him. He put a 12 on it and he threw the 10 over there somewhere. So David's finished putting the battery back in. Oh my god. What an idiot. Forgot to put this down. All right, David, I'm gonna tell you why I think we live in the Matrix, all right? Look at your car. Like the headlights, how they're foggy.
Okay.
And the taillights are not foggy.
Okay.
Why do the taillights never get foggy?
Because they don't have dust and everything hitting them.
Really?
Yes.
I thought it was because oxidation makes them foggy.
No. If you drove backwards all the time, your tail lights would look like that.
I dare you to try that.
I'm not doing that.
All right, David, well, why don't you try turning it on? I'm scared, dude. It's gonna go ba-boom. And now we are bolting down the center console and gonna put the other seat in and test drive it. We won't be putting the back cubbies in yet because we want to test it out and make sure it works before we put everything back together. You wanna drive it? Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, we're a team here. This is a Texas snowball fight right here. If you stall, you owe me $100. Better not scratch it. It costs $1 million right here.
Shut up, you $25,000. I like your mirror though.
Thanks, bro. That's Kashi right there too.
Did that come with a mirror? Or was it like a
yeah, come with the mirror. Straight from Japan, yo. And no engine light?
Not yet.
Hell yeah, brother. From another mother.
Damn, I can't fucking see anything.
Why?
Right here, because you got your flags.
Oh yeah. You gotta represent. Dude, is there some girl over there doing ballet in the front yard? What the
I can't tell.
What the fuck, dude? She got there. So what'd you think, David? Huh?
I like that Tundra.
No, the manual swap, you dummy, not the Tundra.
I saw the Tundra though. I think we did a good job.
You did a good job? Me too. So guys, we are finally done with the manual swap. It took us 7 weeks, but we are finally done with it, and I'm so happy to get this car inspected and registered so I can drive it normally again without being scared of getting pulled over. The only problem is that it is surging a little bit, and the idle sometimes goes low to like 500, but then it goes back up after a couple seconds. So I don't know what that is. If you guys do know what that is, make sure to leave a comment down below telling me what it is and how to fix it. If not, just leave a like then, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.